Hello everyone. In our today's problem, we have to find the largest triangle area. So you'll be given some points. All you have to find the largest triangle. Okay. So at first, what we have to understand like how can you find the area of triangle? Okay. So the simple process or simple rules to find the area of triangle is, if I write it here, it's area of triangle. Okay. Is 0.5 or 0.5 into absolute value. So we can say like this, absolute value of, so if 3 point is like x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So if 3 points are x1, 1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3, then all you have to find the absolute value and divide by 2, or multiply by 0.5. Yeah. Now this one, all I have to do, x1 into y2 or y3 minus y, yeah, y2 minus y3, that's one, plus x2 into y1, x2 will be y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. That's it. This is the formula of finding area of triangles. And then here what we can do, we will go for the brute force approach. Yeah, as the length will be like less than or equal to 50, so we can easily go for the brute force approach, and brute force approach will be cube and cube. Okay, so what we can do here, we can say vector points. Okay, first find out the size of points size. That's one, and then we can say double response, return response, and then for, okay, so what I'm gonna do, if the points is like this, I'm gonna paste it here, and then I'll find the area for each and every points. You know what I mean? Like, I'll find the area for each and every point, and each and every time I'll be updating the value of areas. So the response will be, so in a temp, I'll find the current area, okay, and then each and every time I'll update the value of response, which will be max of response or current area. That's it. And at the end, like after completing the loop, I'll be now returning the response. And to find the current area, if we have a look at the formula, we need 3 points, right? x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. So we need 3 points, sir. Then we'll run 3 loops and we'll get 3 points from there. So for int, or I can say for auto a points, for 2 b, I'm getting a, b, and c. See points. Then I'll just apply the double area or temp will be absolute value of this one. I need bracket here, bracket here, bracket here as well, and 0.5 into this one. This is my temp area, and then my response will be max of response or temp. That's it. And how can you find x1, y1? You can easily find the entry x1 will be a of 0, y1 a of 1 here, or x2 will be b of 0, x3 will be c of 0, okay, and then I'll be updating y1, y2, and int of 0, I'll say 1. I hope I'm good to go. If I run my code, and I put the column, it's accepted. And if I submit it, it's accepted, guys. Thank you so much.